If you are a print-on-demand seller in 2026, one of the hardest things to do is break into really saturated niches on a place like Etsy. And one of the most important things you can do to actually help yourself be able to stand out is by spending more time making your mockups stand out from the rest of the crowd. Now, print-on-demand, it's more accessible than ever, especially with so many AI tools. So that doesn't mean we should be scared of AI, but we need to figure out how we are going to use AI to our advantage to help us not only make our listings better, but help us actually have a chance to really stand out in a very, very competitive market. So in today's video, I'm actually going to show you how to use one of Kittl's new features, which is their AI video generator, to make video mockups for any of the products you're creating on a place like Printify for Etsy. So this is really simple. All it's going to be doing is taking designs we're already making in Kittl for products we're already planning to sell with Printify and Etsy, and then just using one of their new AI features, we're going to turn that into a live mockup that actually can look like somebody wearing your item, showing off the item, and just add a little bit more interest that's going to draw people in to actually get them to click on your listings instead of just scroll on past like they might have otherwise. This is going to be a very straightforward tutorial. I'm going to show you the niche that I'm going to be selling, how I'm going to make that product on Printify, and then how to actually take your design in Kittl and make it into a moving mockup that we are going to put on our Etsy listing. So let's not waste any more time and just jump right into figuring out what we are going to do. So to start out, I am just on my Printify account right now, and we are going to be picking out the product that we're going to be selling and showing off in this video mockup. Now, I really wanted to do some kind of embroidery project today, so I am over on Printify's embroidery section, which if you haven't checked it out recently, they've actually added a lot of newer products to this, so it's definitely worth checking out. And I have found that embroidery products, you can almost always demand a much higher price point than you can for just a standard print-on-demand item. And if some of you guys didn't know, you might have been able to guess by just what I look like right now, but I am actually currently in the process of battling Hodgkin's lymphoma. I have cancer right now. I'm going through chemotherapy. So I have been kind of living in head coverings and hats and beanies, and a lot of the embroidered hats that I have are kind of my go-tos. So I wanted to design one with you guys today and show how you could kind of use that in making these video mockups. So I think we're just going to make one of these classic dad caps. So I'm going to pick this one right here and just click start designing. And for the design today, I think I'm really going to just lean into the niche that I am currently saturated in. I am kind of living my whole life in, and that is just battling lymphoma right now. Anything to do with like a disease someone is battling, with something that is kind of really going on in their life, a way people can support other people, those are great niches. So if you have someone in your life with cancer, with autoimmune disease, any kind of like awareness type apparel is a really, really good seller in print on demand. In fact, I actually had quite a few products that did really well before I was even diagnosed with cancer, kind of in one of those more specific cancer niches, and just making items that either are for cancer warriors or cancer survivors or for people in their lives. So we are going to make one that is kind of about being a lymphoma fighter, a lymphoma survivor. So let's start working on that. And to do that, we're going to go over to our Kittl account. So Kittl, if you've never used it before, they are pretty much my go-to print-on-demand platform for making designs. One, because they have all these amazing AI features that we're going to dive more into later in this video, like those AI mockups. But the thing that I really fell in love with them about is they have so many ready-to-use templates. Now, what I love about a template is it takes a lot of the guesswork out of designing. So if you're new to design, if design is not your strong suit, templates are going to be a game changer for you, because really all you have to have is kind of the niche or the phrase that you want to target, and then you're just going to find a template that kind of vibes with that thing, and you're just going to plug in your phrase into this template. So for example, like today, I think I just want to make kind of a design that says something like lymphoma warrior and kind of more in a girly aesthetic. So I just went to their template section and I looked up hat to kind of see what hat designs they had right now. And a lot of these are really good, very simple, which is perfect for embroidery designs. You don't want those to be too complex. But I think actually this one right here that says elegance empowers, this is like exactly what I was looking for. And it's kind of the perfect size for a baseball cap. Not too complicated. So we're going to just start with this template here. And this is going to be the basis for everything we are going to make today in terms of our video mock-up that we're going to use for this listing eventually. Now, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of resize this artboard here to be the size that Kittl wants for this design. So if you remember back on our Printify account, it's going to tell us the exact print area size for this baseball cap, which is 1200 by 675. So we're just going to keep the width the same, but change this to 675. And then that is going to just show us exactly how much space we have here. Now, all I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by changing the first word and just say lymphoma, and it automatically formats it exactly how this already was. So you don't have to worry about warping the text or anything, which just makes everything so simple. And then I'm going to change this to say warrior, and the design is almost ready to go here. But if you didn't know, many of the different cancers, they have a specific ribbon color that goes with all of them. So Hodgkin's lymphoma is specifically purple. So I'm going to go ahead and change this to a purple color here. So I'm just going to click on this color and then change that to a purple color. So already we have kind of a good design ready to go, and we can go ahead and download that right here. I'm going to click export, and I'm going to make sure to remove this background and download this design. And then I'm going to take it back over to our Printify account so we can start uploading it to our hat. So I'm just going to go over here to this upload section and click on my device. All right, and we uploaded that design that we just made. Now we can go ahead and preview this, and this gives us a really good idea of what this product is going to look like. Now, the thing about all of these mock-ups on Printify is so many people sell with Printify, and they are just keeping these same mock-ups. They're not adding any of their own. So a lot of people have the exact same thing. If we just kind of made our listing and this was the main photo, it might not do very well just because it's so basic. There's nothing special to it, and so many other people also are going to have this exact same mock-up. So we want to generate something that is a lot more unique. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and download some of these photos from the Printify listing, and I'm going to show you how on Kittl I am going to actually use those to create a moving mock-up in just a couple steps. So I went ahead and I just uploaded those two mock-up photos. I have just kind of the hat by itself here, as well as a lady wearing this cap. And if we wanted to create a mock-up to turn into a video just on Kittl, we could also do that as well by clicking on this design right here and clicking add a mock-up, and then we could look up hat, and then we could like select this lady here kind of wearing this design and size it to where it looks like how we want it. But I'm going to go ahead and use these mock-ups here from Printify to make our video mock-up here in Kittl. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select both of these right here, and I am going to click generate video. So I just selected both of these images here, and I am going to make this into an 8-second clip, and I just filled in some of the actions I want. So this first frame, it's going to start with this first image, and it's going to kind of end with this last image here. Now you can create a video just from one image as well, but sometimes it works a little bit better to have a first frame and an end frame. And sometimes you're going to have to try this a couple times. But for my first go, I kind of just said, these are the actions that I want. So from 0 to 1 second, the hat kind of stands still. Then the whole time, kind of the camera is going to be rotating around the model. And then 1 to 3 seconds, the model is going to kind of pick up and put the cap on her head. And I said some audio, hip hop music, smooth, straight pulse. So it's going to add some audio as well. So let's go ahead and generate that. And this can take up to a couple minutes to do this. And it's going to use something called AI credits, which you have in your Kittl account. Now, with all your accounts, you're going to get a certain number of AI credits, and making videos generally is going to take a few more than just like doing a mock-up or a regular AI design. So if this is something you end up doing a lot, it might be worth it to upgrade to more of a pro Kittl account because you're going to get access to more of those credits. But to test it out, you can just use your standard account. And I will have all of Kittl and Printify's information to sign up down below if you've never made an account with either of them. And I always make sure to either have the best deal for free trials, free accounts, or the best offer that they have going on right now. All right, so after a couple seconds, it came up with this video based on our 2 photos that we had downloaded from Printify, but it's just going to make it a lot more dynamic. So let's watch what it came up with. So it has the model kind of putting on the hat and then showing off that design there. Looks really good, and it just has a lot more movement, which is going to catch people's eye when we actually put it on our Etsy listing. All right, now so to download this, we're just going to go to quick export, and we can download that as an MP4 and go ahead and export that to our computer. All right, now let's go back over to our Printify account to finish setting up this listing and connect it to our Etsy account. So here we have our classic dad cap that we uploaded that design to, and right now we just have kind of these standard mockups here, but when we actually get over to Etsy is where we're going to add the moving mockup to make that kind of the primary one that's going to catch people's attention. But we're going to go ahead and add some information here to kind of optimize our listing for our SEO. Now I have a lot of other videos that go into more depth of this section here, but we're going to go ahead and click optimize this listing, and Printify actually has something that's going to take a lot of information about your listing, and it's going to generate a title and a description and some tags for you based on information about other kind of similar bestsellers and what does really well. So I just had design description, women's baseball cap that says lymphoma warrior in purple, gift for Hodgkin's lymphoma patient to support lymphoma survivors, hat for chemo. So I'm going to go ahead and generate that, and it's going to use AI to kind of analyze and scan for similar products and then make a new title and description for us. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that to listing. Now it didn't really add too much here to the title, so I'm going to add some of my own things. And what I like to think about when I am coming to writing a title is, what would someone be searching to find this? Now they're probably not going to search up purple butterfly lymphoma baseball cap design. They might look up something like gift for Hodgkin's lymphoma patient, cancer gift for someone with Hodgkin's lymphoma, lymphoma warrior hat. So all of those kind of things are keywords that I want to make sure are in my title so that when someone searches them, they are going to find my specific product. So I just said lymphoma warrior baseball cap for Hodgkin's lymphoma survivor, purple awareness hat for chemo support, gift for women with Hodgkin's lymphoma. And then it added in a description that kind of incorporated a lot of those keywords. So I am just going to keep that here. And then it also included all the product features for this hat, and then it added in some tags. Now it's going to do more tags than you're able to have, so I'm just going to remove some of the ones that don't work. So like dad cap I'll remove, and I just kept a lot of those really relevant tags here. Now Printify is going to automatically make a new shipping profile for us, and then we can edit the price here. Now I typically like to have my prices be a lot cleaner than sometimes the auto kind of generated price point that it puts here, so I'm going to apply that, and I just think that looks a little bit cleaner, and like someone would want to buy that more than like something like $41.38, which is kind of just a little bit of an odd price. Now we're going to go ahead and publish this so it starts syncing all of these details over to our Etsy, where we're going to make some of those final edits and add that video mockup that we generated from Kittl using our design. Now it's going to take a couple minutes here to publish, so we are going to just wait for that. All right, so after a minute, the status has turned to published here, so that means we can go over to our actual Etsy account that is synced with this. Now, if you don't know how to actually link your Etsy account to your Printify so you can sell products, it's really easy and straightforward, but I have a full tutorial I will link for you guys here if you just want a step-by-step walkthrough. But let's go over to our Etsy. All right, so you can see our product right here, but as you can see, it's just kind of that plain, boring mock-up that we got from Printify. So we're going to make a couple edits within this listing here by clicking the gear icon and just click edit. And then right here, you can see you can actually add a video. So that is where we're going to add that new video mock-up we made on Kittl with their Kittl Moves AI. All right, so we added our video here, and then we also have all these other images from Printify, which I'm going to keep because it really shows what the product truly looks like, as well as this sizing chart here from Printify. And then you can see here that we found that listings with videos got twice as many orders as listings with just photos. So less than 28% of sellers have listings with videos, so it might help us stand out by having a video here. Now, all of our other stuff carried over, including our title, our description, and all of our tags that we added. So down here, I'm going to make a couple extra changes. I'm going to add it to a shop section. I'm going to call it awareness gifts, and I can put a lot of other similar niche products here. So if I made things for other types of cancer survivors or cancer warriors, I could put this here, as well as other types of awareness days as well. And this just acts as an additional kind of tag to organize your products and tell Etsy what type of item this is. And then it automatically is going to enroll in Etsy ads, but I'm going to turn that off because a lot of times for new products, you want to figure out if this is going to sell before you put a lot of dollars of advertising spend behind it. And then I'm going to keep it on manual renewal here and go ahead and publish those changes. Now we can go ahead and view this on Etsy, and then we can actually see how our video is right here, as well as what this product would look like in these other photos. So on your Kittl account, you can use this to make all sorts of different moving mockups, and Kittl has so many different product types that you can create mockups and create video for. So you could do this for something like t-shirts, candles. You could do it for tote bags. Really anything you could think of, you can make a mockup that is more dynamic and moves, or you can just make really unique still mockups so you're not just using the same one that everybody is using from like Printify. Now, if you never made a Kittl account before, again, I'll have all their information linked down below, as well as how to get a free Printify account. But I also highly recommend watching this video next, which shows you how to use a lot of the AI features Kittl has to make really unique designs for your print-on-demand products. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.